If you want to go ahead and let's say, for example, let DeepSeek work as a negotiator for you, then you can actually go ahead and do that as well. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go ahead and say, I am trying to negotiate for, let's say, for example, negotiate for, let's say, for example, $2,000 per month, month of salary for salary as a graphics designer. How should I go about right here? So if I were to go ahead and then send this in, so I said I am trying to negotiate for $2,000 per month of salary as a graphics designer. So how should I go about? So once you go ahead and do that, what happens is that it'll go ahead and load up. So you can see that it says negotiating a salary can be challenging, but with the right approach, you can confidently advocate for the desired $2,000 per month as a graphic designer. And here's a step-by-step guide to help you. So it says research and prepare, know your worth and build your case and so forth right here. So it says present your request, like state the desired salary confidently and clearly say based on the research and so forth and so forth. So this is what you have. So you can see that you get a lot of the details right here. And then what happens is that you can get negotiation help right here. And it even gives you an example. As you can see, it says, thank you for considering me for this role. Based on the research and experience, I believe a salary of $2,000 per month is fair and that aligns with the value I can bring to the position. So you can see that this is what you have right here. And DeepSeek can help you with the negotiation just like this. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.